What's going on? My name is Jordan McDuff and welcome to About That Time. Today we're going to be doing a unique project. We're going to be working on a Mantel electric clock. We're going to be replacing the movement, taking the movement out, and today I wanted to kind of showcase how these things work, how to do it at home, and how not to spend hundreds of dollars fixing a clock, sending it into a watchmaker for them to just replace the movement. It's super simple, super easy, and I just wanted to show you how to do it. And if you're just getting into the time business, the watchmaking business, this is the perfect place to do it because the movements are bigger, the hands are bigger, and it's a lot easier to work on. And most of the time, it goes in and out really smoothly. Things have happened in the past where things were a little bit more difficult than one can anticipate, but that's to be expected. Bad things happen all the time, mistakes happen. So let's see how we can mitigate that risk and try to work on something that is a giant wristwatch. Okay, so today we have a Mantel clock. Obviously it has stopped ticking, but the biggest issue that we actually have with this thing is on the back. The back here is simple. It's Sabata, something like that, Sabata Industries. This right here is the biggest issue, is the speaker system. It doesn't have one cable, and this to me is not very secure, and there's a lot of issues with this thing that I wanted to address with the customer. And it's always important to communicate as well as possible with the customer about what's going on, what you intend to do with their watch, and to tell them what exactly is wrong. But this right here is just a sign of bad craftsmanship. Literally, there's a piece of gum. That's disgusting. There's a piece of gum in this watch, in this clock. So I am a little surprised actually by that. I think maybe they tried to fix it by making it not spin anymore, but that to me is going to be the first sign. Now we've got the parts right here. This is the small speaker assembly. It's going to go right on the back here, and then this cable obviously is going to replace all of this bad wiring. Obviously I could solder this back on and put this back in, but this actual mechanism isn't ticking anymore. So we're going to go ahead and open up this movement, get this on the back of this thing, and I'm going to show you every step of the way through a cool montage. Let's go, let's get it. All right, so this clock has now been completed. I hope you really enjoyed this quick little montage video of me fixing this mantle clock. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you do like videos like this, subscribe, like it, so that I know that you like it, because I have no idea if people are watching this and like this or not. So just hook it up. Have a wonderful day, and God bless America.